This video explores the making of a modern mechanical doorbell and the small components that ensure its chime rings clearly. From stamped metal housings to a brass bell and spring, each part is precision matched and tested before assembly. A step-by-step repair guide tackles a frequent issue the unit faces, a worn contact that stops the signal. Disassemble the faceplate, inspect the switch, clean corrosion, replace the contact, reassemble with fresh grease, and perform a careful tension check. To prevent future failures, seal against moisture, verify proper terminal seating, and perform periodic testing to catch wear early.